Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I think just going to strip some of this stuff out of the engine bay and we get a bit more progress on the metal cleaning. Alright, so we've got most of the stuff cleared out here, got the manifolds off, turbos off, pulled off the power steering pump, alternator and the aircon pump, and also got rid of the power steering lines that are up over here. I'll probably get rid of this valve here, get rid of that. You can see here is a big slot I cut out a few years ago because the aircon pump was in the way, so now I have to box that back in because I won't be running that aircon pump on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please subscribe. I'm just going to throw up a few photos of other cars that I've painted before. Thanks guys.